Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're checking out the Lubluelu Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a lightweight, versatile cleaning tool that promises smooth operation with its brushless motor and a host of thoughtful features. Let's break down exactly what this vacuum offers and whether it lives up to the hype. The Lubluelu Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is designed to tackle multiple surfaces with ease, from hard floors to carpets. It's powered by a 235-watt brushless motor, which is a notable feature. Brushless motors are known for their efficiency and longevity, meaning you get consistent suction over time with less wear and tear. And if you're looking for something that won't disrupt your household, the low noise operation is a huge win. You won't be waging a noisy battle with dirt, even during extended cleaning sessions. Now let's talk about how this vacuum tackles different tasks. It features 3 suction modes. One for soft dusting, another for crevice cleaning, and a third for more intense floor cleaning. It comes with a selection of attachments, including a floor brush, crevice tool, soft dusting brush, and a telescopic tube, each serving a distinct purpose. Whether you're dealing with dust on hard floors, pet hair embedded in carpets, or dirt in tight corners, there's an attachment and suction setting for the job. It's not just versatile, it's a smart, multitasking device that adapts to your cleaning needs. Another key feature is its self-standing design. No more worrying about propping your vacuum up against the wall or leaving it sprawled out across your living room floor. With the Lubluelu, you can set it down in a moment's notice, and it will stand on its own, making it incredibly convenient during those in-between cleaning breaks. No need for wall mounts, no need to bend down or tiptoe around a bulky, uncooperative vacuum. This feature just adds an extra layer of ease. The LED floor brush is another thoughtful touch. The swivel head allows you to easily maneuver around furniture and under tight spaces. Plus, the built-in lights help reveal hidden dust and debris, so you're cleaning smarter, not just harder. It's lightweight too. This vacuum is easy to lift and carry around, meaning you won't have to dread cleaning tasks. In terms of filtration, the Lubluelu offers a comprehensive 5-stage system. This includes cyclone separation, a stainless steel mesh filter, a HEPA filter, a brushless motor filter, and a sponge filter. This multi-layered filtration is especially great for homes with allergy sufferers or pet owners, as it captures not just dust, but fine particles and pet dander too. Plus, all the filters are washable and reusable, which is a nice touch for maintaining long-term performance. When it comes to battery life, the Lubluelu comes with a removable 200 mAh rechargeable battery. The runtime varies depending on the suction setting, with a maximum runtime of 15 minutes on the highest suction, 25 minutes on medium, and up to 50 minutes on the lowest setting. If you need longer cleaning sessions, adding a second battery can extend that runtime. This level of flexibility is ideal for homes of all sizes, allowing for cordless, uninterrupted cleaning. However, as with all devices, there are some trade-offs. While the lightweight design makes this vacuum super easy to carry, it also means that some users might find the suction power on the higher settings to be slightly less intense compared to larger, more robust models. The battery runtime, while decent, may not be enough for heavy-duty cleaning over larger areas, especially in high power mode. This is where those with large homes or multiple levels might need to think about a second battery for uninterrupted cleaning. The Lubluelu's design is generally solid. The plastic feels sturdy, but not premium. This is a budget-friendly vacuum after all. The joints, hinges, and wand connections feel secure though. As for maintenance, the filters are easy to clean, but you might find the brush roll needs attention from time to time, especially if you have long hair or pets around the house. It's fairly straightforward to empty the bin, and there's no major struggle with clearing blockages, making it quite user-friendly. Now let's talk value for money. At its price point, the Lubluelu provides a good range of features for both smaller homes and those with moderate cleaning needs. It offers decent suction, flexibility, and filtration at a competitive price. But for those with larger homes, heavy carpets, or larger pets, you may want to consider something with more power or longer battery life. Comparing it to other vacuums in this price range, it stands up fairly well against other cordless sticks like the Black Decker Power Series or the Shark Wand Vac. The Lubluelu doesn't quite reach the suction power or battery longevity of these higher-end models, but it is quieter, offers more flexibility with its attachments, and is generally easier to handle, especially in smaller spaces. If you're on a budget or just need something for light to medium cleaning, the Lubluelu might be your best bet. In terms of build quality and longevity, Lubluelu's reputation for after-sales service should give you peace of mind. While it's still too early to tell if any long-term durability issues arise, the materials seem up to the task, and it's worth noting that the filters and battery are both replaceable, and which can help extend the vacuum's life if necessary. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Lubluelu, drop a comment below. And of course, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay updated on all our latest reviews. In conclusion, the Lubluelu Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a solid option for those seeking a lightweight, easy-to-use, and flexible vacuum for everyday cleaning. It shines in quiet performance, versatility, and convenience, making it great for apartments, smaller homes, or people who just need a hassle-free vacuuming experience. However, if you have a larger home or need higher-end performance for heavy-duty cleaning, you might want to look at other options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for another review from Reviewsinside TV, the only place where cleaning becomes a breeze.